So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to send GIF on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. This is the inbox of your Messenger. Now to send a GIF, you will have to tap on the person account whom you want to send it. So I'm tapping here. Now tap on message box. Now you will see the option of GIF available on your keyboard. So tap on it. Otherwise you will have to tap on emoji account or emoji icon, or you will see the option of GIFs. So tap on it. Then you can simply search it and tap on it. Now see, we have successfully sent your gift on Messenger, GIF on Messenger, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.